What the fuck is he talking about? Factual learning. How to think, what to think. Okay, let's start with you. You are a product. You are a product with hope attached to it. What does that mean? It means that one day you are meant to become this awesome functions unit capable of choosing jobs, careers, relationships, environments, and economies on your own voice. That's the hope. The better the choices, the better the product you are. That's the simple law on the basis of which the world judges you. So here are few things that which you should keep in your mind. Number 1, a person is not born ready. Number 2, a person has to be made ready. Number 3, the person is emotional in nature. And number 4, the person does not know how to learn in the beginning. It know how to absorb, which means it learn whatever it absorbed from its surrounding. I am talking about when we were a kid. The person has to learn how to learn. The person can think but does not know how to think, which is why it cannot learn how to learn. So this may be confusing. Emotional responses become one of the earliest teacher of the person, and in the end, emotional responses is a garbage teacher, because as a kid, the emotional intelligence is underdeveloped. You may have said that on many occasions in your life, people are fucking idiots, but nobody is born an idiot. We knowingly chosen to be idiot because we are not taught that methodologies of how to think. When devoid of this knowledge, people unconsciously view what they have learned from parents, surroundings, and emotional responses as factual learning. As you grow older and life become harder, without the ability of how to think, one naturally falls back on what one knows, which strengthen this factual learning even more, so much so that at a certain age they can become unchangeable ideas, biases, prejudices, and practices that the individual can no longer abandon. Now you may be thinking, what the fuck is he talking about? Factual learning, how to think, what to think. Okay, here is an example. Imagine you growing up in a place where you only interacted with people of one group. Now also imagine that this group of people having a very strict single belief system, strict ideology, and strict doctrines on morality, how to live your life, what decent and what's not. Now on top of that, also imagine that they have not notions which are not so kind about people of other groups or other belief system or even women. When you teach the children to think exactly like that, it would be called teaching somebody what to think. Makes sense? If you are growing up with such teaching, those would be called factual learning because they may appear factual to you but are not necessarily so. They are based on fear and ignorance. So with time, when they are not corrected by verification, these factual learning become factual truth to people. Factual truths means they are incontestable to those who believe them, and they most probably will die by them. And once you believe something that strongly, you become its avid defender. Once we become defender, we become groups. Once we become groups, we disagree with other groups and fight and vote and celebrate and denigrate on behalf of whichever ideas align most closely to our factual truths. The person who knows how to think will try to find solutions for their problems by thinking on their own, using methods of reasoning with consideration to mental harmony and bringing smoothness in the functioning of their life to expand the scope of their knowledge. However, they will read books, watch videos, and consume all available information. They seek knowledge because knowledge contains perspective, and the cultivation of how to think require a collection of as many varied perspective as one can gather. Lastly, a person who was not brought upon what to think still functions just the same as people who were taught what to think. It happens because one can be deprived of parental guidance, but that is only one of the teachers. The other teachers, such as surrounding and their emotional responses, still teach them what to think. Basically, how to think cannot be self-taught during the developmental year of a person. In conclusion, the product is very likely to be screwed. The product is you. Thank you.